Hello friends, today we are actually planning to go for an room tour in AIMS Bhubaneswar hostel room. All India Institute of Medical Science Bhubaneswar as such is actually far away from the core Bhubaneswar city, and hence the campus is actually very calm and peaceful. And our hostel campus is a very big campus with 24 hours secured gates. And hostel campus tour we'll be planning up for another day, and that time I will be showing all the facilities inside our campus. And our campus consists of more than 10 hostel buildings with good roads connecting them, and for each hostel we have separate parking areas and garden. And inside the campus we have facilities for gym and cycling facilities provided by Yana and Yulu cycling stations, which in from which we can take the cycles for ride. And also we have two dining halls inside the campus, one big and one small dining hall, in which the food is being provided by Yatri group. They are actually providing good health and healthy food there. And the hostel which I'm going to show today is actually the hostel meant for the junior and senior residents. And all the hostel buildings are actually 7-story buildings. And in these rooms we are actually free to use all the electric gadgets, and the rooms will be well ventilated and well lighted rooms provided with a table, chair, a cupboard, cot, bed, pillows, and a water geyser, and all the electronic things like lights and fans being provided by the hostel management itself. And other things we have to arrange on our own. And the hostel management is actually very friendly and accessible at any time. And we have a very good civil maintenance team with carpenters, electricians, plumbers, and housekeeping staffs who are also very friendly. And any issues regarding the room, if you complain, within one day the issue will be settled with free of cost. And regarding the fee of the rooms, they are not charging any fee as hostel fee from our salary. And we have both single rooms and double rooms in our hostel, and both of them differ in no way by cost. But if we are willing to stay outside, then we will be given housing rent allowance of a maximum of up to 12,000, I think. And for such free of cost, the hostel here is very good, and we will be enjoying like anything. I am very happy to stay in this hostel, and I wanted to share my experience with you, and that's why I'm making this video. And I hope you all will enjoy this video. Thank you. Let me start from the left onwards. There are actually more than 10 hostel buildings in AIMS Bhubaneswar, and actually we have two wings like this on both sides. And both sides we have, in one floor we have actually more than 10 rooms. We have a drinking water area like this in all the floors. And I'm actually residing in 4th floor, and we have a common space like this in both sides of the wing. And the roof of this space is actually made of a kind of opaque glass like thing, so this area will be very bright in the daytime. And this is actually a 7-story building, and all the hostels are 7-story building in AIMS Bhubaneswar. And this is my room. Okay, welcome to my room. Okay, this is my room, and mine is actually a double couple room, but there is no cost difference between single rooms and double rooms in AIMS Bhubaneswar hostel. And as we enter, I have arranged a kind of sofa like thing, which I used to relax during my free time, and also I used to kind of work with laptop and do such relaxations. And some decorations are there, which we are free to do here. And I have arranged a kind of sterilium in my room entrance. This is the study table and chair, which is provided by the hostel management itself. And this is my window. As you can see, the environment is very peaceful, and you have good sceneries during the morning time. And this is our hostel campus. We can actually go for walking or cycling in this space. You can see the other buildings in our hostel. Okay. And in my room I also have a small kitchen space. I have arranged a simple kitchen setup in my room. Okay, this is the study table which I showed before. I have then arranged for a small book cupboard, and I have my small devotional space in my room. And this is a cupboard which is provided by the hostel management itself. And the cot also is provided by hostel, with a small drawer kind of thing beneath, where we can store some things. And you have some space for drying clothes and sort of things. And then you have the bathroom with a western kind of toilet, with the water geyser being attached, and shower handle, and a wash basin, and then a face mirror. And that's all about my room. And about the cost, single room and couple rooms cost the same, and there is no cost difference between both. But the thing is, there are only few couple rooms inside the hostel, and single room will be actually like half of this room. Okay. And some other day I will be like showing a single room in our hostel. And that's all. This is a small initiative, and I hope you all would have enjoyed this video. Thank you.